Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the TV model and Android version. This matters because uninstall options vary. Once done, make sure you're signed into the same Google account used on the TV. Now navigate to Settings, then Apps or Applications. This takes you straight to installed apps so you can act. Don't waste time on network checks. Go directly to the app list and locate YouTube. This first move sets the removal path and exposes available actions. Disable, uninstall updates, or remove. You'll now work through the app controls. Select YouTube to open its info page, because that's where uninstalling updates and removing data happen. Tap Uninstall Updates first to revert the app to factory state. This often frees the Disable button. Then clear cache and clear data to remove stored credentials and temporary files. This prevents automatic reactivation. If uninstall is blocked by firmware, use Disable, which hides the app and stops background activity. These steps remove functionality. You finish by rebooting the TV to ensure changes apply. This clears residual processes and confirms YouTube no longer launches. If the app reappears, make sure you inspected system apps and parental control settings. Some Sony firmware treats YouTube as a protected system app. As a last resort, consider a factory reset, but back up settings and accounts first because that erases everything. If problems persist, document the firmware version and contact Sony support. This helps them advise model-specific solutions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.